Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Honda Odyssey key fob battery. This is a straightforward and simple process that you can easily do yourself in about 10 to 15 minutes. You will need a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, which is widely available at most electronics or auto parts stores. Additionally, a small flathead screwdriver or the emergency key itself will assist in carefully opening the fob. First, locate the small release button on the back of your key fob and press it. This will allow you to slide out the internal emergency key. Next, look for a small notch or slot on the key fob's edge. Insert the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob case, being careful not to damage the internal components. Once the key fob is open, you will see the round, coin-shaped battery. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your small screwdriver. Pay attention to its orientation. The positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, typically faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and slide it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should snap securely into place. With the new battery securely in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob case. Press them firmly together until they snap securely shut, ensuring all edges are flush. Then, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's fully seated. Finally, test your key fob by attempting to lock and unlock your vehicle from a short distance. Your key fob should now be fully functional with its fresh battery, providing reliable access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.